the national and local government officials that are the face of disbursements of said services. Kasi, again, hindi mo naman ma-enforce na bawal kang maglagay ng pangalan mo dyan, bawal kang mag-appear dyan. Just administrate yung pagbibigay sa ayuda. Pero that's not the case. Ang ginagawa nila, nilalagay nila yung mukha nila dito, tapos kunyari, parang nagkakaroon ng energy or ng understanding na sila yung nagbibigay ng ayuda na ito, when in reality, it's the government, it's the Philippines, it's the Filipino people that gives this ayuda, hindi sila. It creates an utang na loob system na in all realities, similar to what I'll be talking about the next, and I did go with major tidbit, allows the same power structure and the same people in office, whether they think they didn't intend to or calculately does so. And it's easier to feel indebted to the official, yung mga namimigay or nagdi-disperse ng fund na iyon, rather than the government or the country. Kasi ang madalas na hinihingi lang ng mga opisyal ay boto mo with promises for more ayuda. And it's easier to feel indebted to the officials rather than the government or the country kasi ang madalas na hinihingi lang ng mga opisyal ay boto mo with promises for more ayudas. Again, at malamang sa malamang,